Let's come to the second point of rocks of same ages across the ocean. That is the second proof through which we can understand the continental drift theory, the explanation. You can also see the picture over there, I think. The Amazonia, Africa, Occidental, Rio de Plata, there are different, Kalahari, Tanzania, Congo, there are different parts are given over there where we can understand, where we can study or the examine of the different ages rocks which were connecting with each other. So this concept refers to the discovery of the similar aged rocks. Yes, similar aged rocks which we can observe in the similar timing on different continents separated by the oceans. It can't happen if the continents are apart to each other, then it can't happen that the similar aged rocks are on a different continents at the same time. So this is a proper proof for this. With the advantage of radiometric dating, through which we can understand the age group of the rocks, the time period of the rocks, how long the or how old the rocks are, that we can understand by this term radiometric dating techniques. Scientists have been able to date specific rock formations and compare their ages. Through this radiometric dating techniques, what we can see, what we can understand, that the scientists can make some explanation of the date specific rock formation, that when the rock was formed, okay, and their ages comparison. A notable example is a matching of rock ages of the coast of Brazil with those in Western Africa, and both dated around 2000 million years old. All of you can remember this. Both the rocks were 2000 million years old from Brazil coast matches with those from Western Africa. So it dating back to the Jurassic era indicates that the continents were not separated by the ocean in prehistoric times, where the written history, historical documentations were not there with us. So that was the proof that which indicates that the continents were not separated by the ocean in the prehistoric times. What is the example and the short pointers? The first is written correspondence of in the age of rocks and marine sediments we can found along the Brazilian coast and Western Africa, which demonstrates this concept. This line is very important. The rocks dating to the approximately 2000 MA and the oldest marine sediments from the Jurassic era found on both the continents. So what were the two proofs? The dating to the approximately 2000 MA and the oldest marine sediments from the Jurassic era. These two were the most prominent proof for this theory, and which provides the compelling evidence for the one contiguous landmass before the formation of Atlantic Ocean. Come to the short pointers for revision. The radiometric dating. Just now I have said that key techniques for determining the rock ages, when the rock was formed, significant findings. What were the first findings? Similar ages of rocks, where we can find it in Brazil and as well as in Western Africa. Jurassic marine sediments, yes, it's also found along the coastline of South America, Africa, and dating back to the Jurassic era. Implications, what were the effects, impacts? It indicates no ocean separation between these continents. Yes, that was a wrong thing. So the right one was no separation, no ocean separation between these continents in the prehistoric times. And support for the continental drift, that these findings collaborate with the theory of continents once it being joined.